Hello everyone, how are you? How's everything? Today we will take a new topic, topic 14, lesson 1, which is about time to the minute. Before we start solving and watching the video, we should know some informations about the watch. First of all, what should we know? That 1 hour has or equal to 60 minutes. And second thing, this part, the short part, we call it our hand. And the long part, we call it minute hand. Let's now watch the video.
How do you tell time to the nearest minute? Let's find out. The clock shows the time a train from Memphis is scheduled to arrive at Central Station. What time is the train scheduled to arrive? Write the time in digital form and in 2 other ways.
So here we can write it in 3 ways, in digital form, and there are 2 more ways. We will learn them today.
Analog clocks are tools that can help you show and tell time to the nearest minute using minute and hour hands. Why is an analog clock a good tool for showing time to the nearest minute? On an analog clock, the hour and minute hands point to precise locations on the clock face and help you visualize time. Digital form uses numbers and symbols to show and tell time. You can also write time using words and numbers. Step 1. The hour hand is between 12 and 1. The time is after 12 o'clock and before 1 o'clock.
So here, to know what is the time exactly, we will see the short part, which is the hour hand, and it is between which 2 numbers? Here it is between 12 and 1, and it's after 12. So we will write the hour is 12.
Step 2. In 5 minutes, the minute hand moves from one number to the next. Count by 5s from the 12 to the 8. This is 40 minutes.
Okay. So always when we want to count the minutes, we always start from 12. Always start from 12. So 5, 10, 15, 20 till 8, because it's the minute hands between 8 and 9, so till 40. But it's not exactly at 8. Let's continue to understand.
Step 3. In 1 minute, the minute hand moves from one mark to the next. Count 2 more minutes. The digital time is 12:42. It is 42 minutes past 12, or 18 minutes to 1.
So the 3 ways here.
When the time is 12:42, why is the hour hand closer to the 1?
So the 3 ways we can write the time. Here we have the digital hour, which is 12:42. This is the first way. Or we can write 42 minutes past 12. Or we can write how much we still have till 60. It's 42, and as we know that 60 minutes in 1 hour. So we can say 18 minutes to 1. We have this way, this way, this way.
Then to the 12 on the clock face. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Because 42 minutes is more than half, or 30 minutes of an hour, the hour hand will be between the 12 and the 1, but closer to the 1. In steps 2 and 3, what strategies can you use to correctly place the minute hand? Count by 5s from the 12 to the 8, and then count by 1s to show 42 minutes after 12.
So because the minute hand is not exactly at the 8, it's between 8 and 9. And it's marked on the second point after the 8. So each point here, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. So after, at the 8, it is 40. Because 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 30, 35, till here 40, then plus 2 plus 40, 41, and then 42.
Now you know how to tell time to the nearest minute.
Okay, let's solve questions on the book. In 3 and 4, write time shown on each clock in 2 ways. Okay, this watch is not a digital one. So what can we do? First of all, we will write the hour. It is, as we can see, the hour hand between 3 and 4. And it is, so it's after 3. So what can we write is 3. Then 2 dots. The minutes, as we can see, it's between, so we can count, start counting from 12. So start counting from 12 to 1, 5 minutes. Then from 1 to 2, another 5, it will be 10 minutes. And it is exactly at the second mark. So we will count plus 2 because it's on the second mark. So 10, 11, then 12. So it is 3, 12. This is the first way, which is the digital clock. And we can write the second way, that 12 minutes after, 12 minutes past 2. So this is 2 ways. In question number 4, it's already written on digital. So we can write the first way, 43 minutes past 5. And the second way, we will see how many minutes till become 6. So to know how many minutes till become 6, we should subtract 60, because as we know that 1 hour has 60 minutes, minus 43. We'll start subtract from the right. 0 minus 3, we cannot do it. I will take 1 from the 6. 6 will be 5. The 0 will be 10. 10 minus 3, 7. And 5 minus 4, 1. So we can write 17. This is the second way. Minutes to 6. Let's move to the Next page. Question number 12. Clay and his family sit down to eat dinner at the time shown on the clock. Which of the following are other ways to write that time? Choose all that apply. First of all, we will see what is the time. Then we will see the choices. Our hand, it is between 5 and 6. It's after the 5. So 5, 2 dots. The minute hand, let's count them starting from 12, 5, 10, 15. But actually is not at 3. It's marked on the first mark after the 3. So it is plus 1. So 15 plus 1 minute. So it is 16. Let's see the choices now. 3:25, no. 5:16, yes. 16 minutes after 5, yes. 44 minutes before 5, no. It's actually 44 minutes before 6. 16 minutes before 5, no. Question number 13. Mary Ann called her grandmother. She ended the call at the time shown on the clock. Which of the following are not other ways to write this time? Let's see what is the time. It's after 3 and it's between 3 and 4. So it's a 3. Let's count the minutes starting from 12, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. But actually, as you can see, it's not 45. It's marked on the first mark after the 9. So we will add 1 of the 45, 1 minute adding, so it's 46. And the question said, which of the following are not other ways to write this time? The first one, 14 minutes to 9, yes. 3:46, no, because he said are not other ways to write this time. 46 after 3, no. 9, 19, we will choose it. 14 minutes before 4, no, because the actual time it's 14 minutes before 4. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. If you have any question, you can answer me. You can like and subscribe also the page. Thank you very much.